we are gathered here to give support and recognition to our own Senate basketball team, Sentinels basketball team, with several athletes coming from this chamber, Senator Joel Villanueva, Senator Bongo, and the Department of Education Secretary as the team captain, if I'm not mistaken, and the Senate President Pro Tem as the chief sponsor and cheerleader cum manager of the said team, Mr.
I was not informed, Majority Leader.
Mr. President, this is not just a victory for the Senate. It is not just a recognition for all our legislator athletes, but it is the testament to the spirit, dedication, and teamwork that define this team, and indeed all of us here in the Senate. So our team, the Senate Sentinel, faced formidable opponents, and we have Senator Joel Villanueva doing some combination of legislative and athletic work with grueling practices and relentless pressure in competition, Mr. President. But as they just do in the legislative halls, they meet every challenge with resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Kaya po, Mr. President, atin po sigurong hindi lang palakpakan, kung hindi bigyan ng walang tigil na pagsaludo ang ating mga kasama sa Senado, kabilang po ang mga empleyado ng Senado na bahagi ng team na ito. They have shown that success comes not from individual talent alone, but from unity, teamwork, and shared passion. Kaya, Mr. President, allow me to be a co-sponsor likewise of Senate Resolution number 1209, congratulating and commending the Senate Sentinels. Mr. President, Senator Bongo, the main sponsor, would like to deliver his sponsorship speech as well. I move that he be recognized.
Senator Bongo is recognized.
Mr. President, as chairman of the Committee on Sports, it is with great pride and honor, and I co-sponsor the resolution commending and congratulating the Senate Sentinels for winning its historic back-to-back championships in the UNTV Cup Executive Face-Off. First time po ito na back-to-back sa Executive Face-Off. Mr. President, the UNTV Cup Executive Face-Off is more than just a game of basketball. It is an annual charity league in the Philippines where government agencies come together not just to compete in the sport of basketball, but also to contribute in noble causes. Through this league, we show that government service extends beyond our usual duties as it reaches to our communities, providing support and hope to those in need. Maraming salamat po sa UNTV, kay Sir Daniel Rason, at sa lahat po ng organizers. I would like to congratulate our team, the Senate Sentinels, which is composed of senators, Senate staff, and employees for defeating the AFP Cavaliers with an impressive score of 74 to 62, led by players like Senator Joel Villanueva, former Senator and now Secretary Sani Angara, and team members. Panoorin muna natin, sandali. Yan.
Senado, Senator Angara has it. Angara, nice move!
From the Senators, Johnny Moset,
Senator Villanueva finally got it!
5 points win.
Sandali.
Open the court with a 3-ball. Senator Bongo with 2 3-point baskets. Like just like that. 17-point lead.
Ang saya, oh. Daming fans.